Well, hi, Jeff Barlett here, and this is going to be how to play a F major chord on the acoustic guitar. So this is an F major chord, so as you can see it looks a little tricky, and it is at first until you practice and learn how to play the chord. So you can see with my index finger on the first fret, so this is actually holding down two strings. So I'm holding down the B string, and I'm also holding down the E string with one finger. So I'm holding down two strings with my index finger, the B and the E. And then with my middle finger, I'm putting it on the G string of the second fret. And then with my ring finger, I'm putting it on the A string of the third fret. And then my pinky on the D string of the third fret. So it is going to be a little uncomfortable to hold these strings like this at first, but after a while and some practice, you'll learn how to play the F major chord. And it should sound like this. I also would recommend practicing switching from F to C, because F and C are very similar, but just keep practicing so you can learn how to change the chords when you're playing the guitar. And that is how you play an F major chord. I'd like to thank you for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn how to play the guitar. Thank you for watching, and God bless.